Hey guys, I got a spicy chicken burger for the menu today. So the I got the chicken breast, bought it from the market. It's really thick. I'm slicing up and make it thinner. So the reason we cutting thinner slices is it's easy to cook. So I got the bit of pepper, salt, turmeric, chilli, and garam masala. The spices can be anything according to your taste bud. I got a bit of oil and mix it through. The spices can be anything, can be Mexican, American, according to your taste bud. It doesn't have to be like garam masala and all this shit. I got the bit of lemon. Then I'm gonna glad wrap it and rest it in the fridge for like 2 hours. It's gonna preserve all these spices inside the chicken, so you get more flavor. So meanwhile, I'm preparing for the chips. So I got the tray and baking pepper. Chips already bought from the market, so I'm not making fresh chips, so it's frozen from the supermarket. I got my oil spray all over the chips. So I already got my oven preheat for 230 degree. So if you cooking chips, it has to be on high heat, so you get a crispy, nice chips. Set it up for 15 minutes and we have to check it again. Meanwhile, I'm slicing up my salad, which is going to be inside the bun. Today I got the cucumber, tomato, and onion. Sliced up, which is going to be inside the bun. All thin sliced. We're not making curry, we're making burgers. That's the reason we're slicing up in thin slice, so you can get the taste, bite even. And you don't need that many tomatoes, because I'm making a couple more for my friends. For the one burger, like one small tomato is more than enough. Today I got the Nando's peri-peri sauce. I like it, that's the reason I'm making the sauce. But it can be anything. Mixing up with mayonnaise. Sauce can be anything. Sauce can be, you can put a barbecue or tomato sauce or the chili sauce, according to your taste bud. I'm mixing up with the mayonnaise and the Nando's peri-peri. So that's the sauce gonna be on the bun. I'm heating up my non-sticky fry pan spraying a little bit of canola spray. Once it starts smoking, you can put the thinly sliced marinated chicken, which was in the fridge for like over 2 hours. It's got all the spices, preserved. It is tasty. You can see from the color. And again, you don't need that many chickens for one burger. I'm making a fair bit. Like 1 or 2 slices is more than enough for one burger. I got the sesame seed bun for my burger. You can get the milk bun or the same bun, either. Got a bit of butter and then toasting it on a high heat pan. Meanwhile, I'm checking out my chips, make sure it's not burned. It's not ready yet, so I want to put it for another 5 minutes. Our chicken is ready. If you're not sure if chicken is ready or not, you always can start on the thick side of the chicken and then check it. If it's white all the way through, that means it's cooked. You don't need to put a thermometer or the temperature check or something. Chicken is simple. I got my toasted bun saucing up the both sides. Bit of washed iceberg lettuce, and my salad's gonna be on the top there. So I got the 3-4 pieces of tomatoes, cucumber, and with a Spanish onion on the top. I got 2 pieces of that cooked chicken on the top of that salads. And I got an American tasty cheese and cover with the other bun. So when chicken is still hot, the cheese is gonna be a little bit melted when you cover it. 5 minutes is up. I think the chips is ready. You can see the golden brown, and it's ready to roll on the plate. And before I put it in the plate, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, toast it up, then it's going to go on the plate. It's beautiful. Ketchup always nice with the chips. We always go with the chips, so that ketchup is for the chips. There you go. Spicy chicken burger ready to roll.